Hi besties, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video will be a DIY pedicure tutorials. I will be guiding you through a relaxing pedicure that you can easily do at home, and it is very simple. It does not require much. So let's get right to it. The first step is to prepare your space. Make your space comfortable for you. Get all the material you need for the pedicure, and I'll be writing down the materials you need for your pedicure on my description. So if you are interested, please check my description for the materials you need. So here I'm making a scrub which contains only sugar and coconut oil. Then I fill my foot basin with warm water and I added my liquid soap to it. You can use shampoo if you like, with salt and also with lemon. This will take us to the next step, which is soaking your feet in the warm water for about 10 to 15 minutes. During this period, you can just read a book, watch movie, just do anything within that 10 to 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes, the next step is to scrub your feet properly, like very well. By this time, your feet has been soaked in the water for long, and it will be very easy to remove all the dead cells. And while scrubbing your feet, focus on areas like heels and balls of your feet. Focus on them very well. Then the scrub we did at the beginning of the video, this is the time to scrub your feet, to apply it to your feet and scrub properly. Scrub it very well. Scrub your foot very well to remove every dead skin. Then you rinse your feet thoroughly with clean water. So you can go ahead and apply your moisturizer or your foot cream. If you even like, you can apply your lotion, your body lotion. After that, the next step is to trim and file your nails. The first thing you should do is to wipe off your nails with this alcohol so as to clean off the lotion that you applied on your feet from your nails. Then, before using your nail clipper to trim your nails straight across, trim it to your desirable length, like the way you want to trim it or the way you love your nails to look like. You can trim it like that. Then after that, you file your edges to smooth them out. You file your nails properly. Then you clean your nails and apply your nail polish. This is optional. If you want to apply your nail polish, fine. If you don't want to, it's also okay. But if you want to apply your nail polish, you will start with your base coat, followed by your desirable color, the color you want to apply on your feet. Then you finish with a top coat for shine and durability. So you let your nails to dry completely and you clean up any smudges around the edges with a cotton wool. After that, you apply your vitamin oil and voila, you are done with your pedicure. Very easy, very relaxing, no too much stress. And this is it. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification button, and comment below if you'll be trying this DIY pedicure. And if you want more of this kind of video to be sharing with you guys a lot of DIYs, please comment below also.